Another key use case when using AI strategically is scenario planning. So what if our biggest customer leaves? What if our competitor drops prices 20%? What if we enter the Texas market? All these kinds of what ifs, right? Wouldn't it be interesting if this happened, or I'm afraid of this happening? AI can create this sort of war games for you. So you can say, what's the base case, the best case, and the worst case? And it can help you, you don't have to do all these spreadsheets yourself. It can actually build them for you and do that actual financial planning. It can update assumptions that you might have, help you stress test decisions before your board meetings, and basically help you with wargaming and counterpunching as well. And that's similar to this example here. So before you launch a new price or a product, you can say, how might competitors respond to this? What counter moves might they make? How could we build our response plan now? And the key also with this is you want to feed it information about your company and who your competitors are. And then with that information, it's going to be more accurate in simulating what their moves might be. It can also help you with hidden growth opportunities. So it can be sort of a strategic white space finder. What can we do that others can't? What is our unique positioning in the industry? And of course, you want to update the AI about who you are and what you do. What market needs are uniquely positioned? What market needs are we uniquely positioned to serve? And where do our capabilities overlap with unmet demand? And it can also do some trend analysis in the industry more broadly so that it can find some of those unique unmet demand positions. And then it can cross map your strength to market gaps automatically, create dashboards, of course, create visualizations if you want to convey this to other folks in your company. Of course, and this is a big one, we use this all the time, is understanding your growth engine. A fun prompt here is go to ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, have it research your company, and then tell it to give you the calculus of growth for your company. Every business has these constraints. Can we get leads? What's our demand generation capacity? Can we close those leads? What's our sales capacity here? Can we deliver capacity? So how does our operations team work on this front? And then can we fund growth? What's our cash flow look like? AI can help you identify your bottlenecks and then widen those bottlenecks, increase your conversion from each stage to the next. So before we get into these demos, some of the key takeaways I want you to take from this: AI does not replace your judgment. It simply amplifies it with faster and broader analysis. You still have to be part of the thinking process here. It is an intellect amplification tool.